March 17th. Why did I write out Thursday, March 17th? What's significant for food entrepreneurs on this day? Well, if you listen to my marketing tip of the week from last week, that would give you a clue. This is a big catering day for all the food entrepreneurs. I don't care if you have a food truck, a restaurant, a catering business, a meal prep business, anything you have, you need to make sure that you will have corned beef, right? Why? What day of the year do thousands of people eat corned beef? St. Patty's Day, right? So when I was running my restaurant, people used to call me on that day and say, do you guys have corned beef? Because we used to have pastrami. And I'm like, no, we don't. And then after a few days, I realized people love to eat corned beef during St. Patty's Day. So what did I do? This is about 15 years ago I'm talking about. For next year, I was ready. I created a catering package for it. I had a special in my restaurant. And that week alone, we would bring in an extra $5,000 to $7,000 in revenue. So this is why I say you got to prepare yourself for big catering days. When you prepare yourself, you can get your menu ready, you can get your catering packages ready, and you can market it 2 weeks before. You want to start marketing it from 2 weeks before anybody is doing it. Actually, sometimes I would even start advertising 3 weeks before, because some people love to plan ahead, and a lot of corporate America, big offices, love to plan ahead because they got to feed 100, 200 people sometimes. So start marketing 3 weeks before and get in front of people with your email, with text, with social media, create Google ads, anything you can do to get in front of your existing customers and find potential new customers. It's a great way to find potential new customers, because big days like that, people love to party. We always are looking for an excuse to party, right? It's just in our culture. It's a natural human thing that we do. We love to party. So St. Patty's Day is another big day to party and to make money for all our food entrepreneurs. So I better see some menus out there, some catering packages, some specials inside your restaurant. And don't tell me, oh, we don't have this, we don't have corned beef. How hard is it to buy corned beef and watch one YouTube video or 2 YouTube videos to figure out a way to marinate it and cook it and provide it for your guests and potential guests? It's not that hard. And just because you don't have it on the menu doesn't mean that you shouldn't serve it. No, you need to serve it, because everybody and their mother will be searching for corned beef in that week, especially that day. So don't take this lightly. Don't take this lightly, because it works. It works. People will come and get corned beef from you, even if they don't even care that you guys don't specialize in corned beef. I mean, we didn't, and we started killing it. Every year from that year, I decided to pay attention to big catering days. We used to kill it every week. When I say week, it's because a lot of corporate America, they don't order it that same day. Maybe Thursdays is not a good day for them, because this year is going to be Thursday. Maybe they order it for Friday. So don't worry about getting just busy that day. You will get catering throughout the whole week, but that day will be the busiest day for you. Plan ahead so you can make some monies and so you can run the operation smoothly when that day comes. So let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you want to see any menu options. The best thing to do is just go to Google and see what other people are doing. If it's not your immediate competitor, look somebody else up from different cities and see what kind of menus they're offering, so you get an idea of how much to charge and what to do. All right, if you guys have any comments or questions, comment below. And if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe, because we're going to bring you marketing tips like this throughout the week, once or twice every week. Actionable tips and ideas like this video you're watching right now. Now go crush them this week.